Before moving to the lesson, let us listen to one small poem called Monkeys. It starts like, swing, swing, swinging, swinging. Look at the monkey swinging. From the tree top swinging, by the hands they are swinging. Papa monkey swimming, mama monkey swinging, baby monkey swimming, uncles and aunties swinging. They never tire of swinging, to them joy it's bringing. They are dancing and they are singing, all the day long they are swinging. Next poem is called Traveling, Traveling. Row, row, row your boat gently round the lake. Traveling, traveling on the water, boats are what you take. Drive, drive, drive your car, have a merry cruise. Traveling, traveling on the road, cars are what you use. Fly, fly, fly your plane high up in the air. Traveling, traveling through the sky, planes will get you there. Stamp, stamp, stamp your feet, stamp them on the ground. Traveling, traveling on your feet, walk to get around. Now, let us know about Diwali. See, there was Jeevan who went to his friend Shashwant home on Diwali festival. So they both started decorating the house. So after decorating, the kids started to bust the crackers. After busting crackers, they all ate sweets and food. Yummy! So after lunch, Shashwant's mother started explaining about Diwali festival for both the kids. See, Diwali is one of the Indian biggest festival. The word Deepavali means rows of lighted lamps. It is a festival of lights and Hindus celebrate it with a joy. During this festival, people will light up their house and shops with diyas, where diya means a small cup-shaped oil lamp made up of baked clay. So they worship Lord Ganesha for the welfare and prosperity, and Goddess Lakshmi for the wealth and wisdom. So this is a festival is celebrated in Hindu month of Kartika Amavasa, which falls sometime during October or November. So it is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama after 14 years of exile and his victory over King Ravana. So in many parts of India, Deepavali is celebrated for 5 consecutive days. So 5, yeah. And Hindus regard it as a celebration of life and use the occasion to strengthen the relationship, and in some parts of India, it marks the beginning of New Year. So people clean and decorate their house before the festival, and they do colorful rangoli artworks on the floor. In the next class, let us know about the Narakasura.